Hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we are going to discuss about SG blocks INC, and as you can see that from the current lows it is trying to bounce back. So it makes a bounce back which was actually as you can see 700%, but it falls back and again started crawling on the upside. So this is your trend. This is the current trend which you can look here right now, but apart from that there is a bigger trend which we also need to see and look at. So we are going to discuss all of those, but before that, if you haven't subscribed my channel, hit on the subscription button and also hit on the notification bell to get the notification of my upcoming videos. Now starting with the current trend, we just stick our neck up in between the levels only. So that's the criteria which one needs to follow, because the simple reason is the length of the range is 700%, which is not at all a joke. Right now what's happening in the market is indeed amusing, because the stocks can fly 5000% in a day. Okay, so that's what is the amusing part. So here inside this trend you have your current support at 2.6, then you have your next support at $2.3. Okay, going down you have your next support at $1.5, and you have your final support at 1.16. So the simple thing to understand here is, in any case if the stock moves below 1.16, one simply need to close all their position. Okay, because we don't know how low will it go. It can probably move to zero, that we don't know. That's why the final support or the last block of the range will be 1.16. Before that, if you have lots of support levels which you need to look at. So first understand and manage your risk and decide how much risk you can actually able to tolerate. On the upside, you have your first support or first target or resistance at $3.8, then you have 5.5, then you have 6.8, and finally you have your big target or resistance at 9.97 or probably $10 on the upside. So this is what your limitations are, okay, for the time being. If you are very bullish, then just reserve your bullishness till 9.97 or $10. If in case the stock makes a breakout above $10 and sustain above that, then it's a different scenario. Otherwise, just stick within this range. And as I've already told you about the risk that you need to consider at first place. Okay, in case if it moves above $10 and sustain over there. Now one thing one need to understand when you're looking at the long-term trend, that this is a bear trend. Okay, the stock literally falls down from the level of $130 to a low of $1. So you need to understand that this trend has actually broken on the downside. Okay, so whatever is happening is simply a bounce back, nothing else. So whatever you can see here, you have is simply a bounce back. So when this kind of thing happens, a bounce back kind of things happen, one need to understand that uh, to make this bounce back more sustainable, or when can we call it as a rebound, for that the stock needs to you know uh, crawl lots of levels one after another on the upside. So for here to move up the stock, if in case, so there is a big if in case the stock closes above $10, then it may uh, go towards $14, then $20, then you have $35, then you have $50, then you have $76, then you have $118, and finally the previous high of year 2017 was $143. So as you can see, there are lots and lots of levels which the stock needs to go and cross one after another, and each and every level, more than a target, it's simply a resistance. So follow each and every level with equal importance and trail your stop loss accordingly. That's what you can do here, and do not simply try your luck over and over again, because you may succeed 9 or 10 times, but that 11th time, if you are not able to succeed, but because by that time you will simply become a confident, or more specifically an overconfident person, so that 11th time will be a disastrous one. So understand your risk and then do whatever you want to do. So this is the end of the video. If you like this content, do share your thoughts in the comment section and subscribe my channel. Lastly, take care of your family and friends.